radi?
Voda. Što eto? Eto voda. Eto što?
Eto knjige.
A eto što?
Sumka.
Do свидания.
Hello, my name is Hans, and I will be teaching this class today in English. Hello, what's your name?
Hello, my name is Lena.
And yours?
Agita?
Yours?
Jana?
And yours?
Grace.
Your name is?
Leonardis.
And yours?
Voda.
Okay, so you all live in Latvia?
Yes.
Okay, so we will be arriving at Stockholm. It's located here across the sea. So, what you will need for a nice cruise on a ship is a book, for some reading, a backpack for keeping your stuff in, water bottle for drinking water, and some care for yourself, like a toothbrush, toothpaste, and a dental floss. So, okay, nice trip for you all, and bye. I'll be going now.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Okay.